Hello friends, I am Tali Shekhar. Today we will see a TDL. It is a free TDL where we can get all the HSN code into Tally Prime or ERP. That means while creating an item or ledger, we can select with the name or with the code, and we can define with 4 digit or 6 digit at a company level. If you configure at company level at 4 digit, we can have a item or ledger HSN code as 4 digit. If you select 6 digit at company level, we can have item or ledger at 6 digit for HSN or SAC code. Now we can see where to download and install the TDL. So I have given a link for TDL so that you can download from the YouTube in the menu below in the description. You can have a zip file, just you extract, and this is the TCP file, this is the JSON file. This JSON file we have around 13,400 or 500 HSN code, all we have downloaded from the CVD site and we have incorporated in this Tally. So this contain only HSN code and it will not save in any data. In any Tally data, it will not load any heavy data in Tally while we are creating or doing vouching. So first thing, we have to copy this JSON file to the respective folder of Tally. See, I have copied and I have pasted it here. See, this is the JSON file. Another one, this file we have to load to Tally, this HSN. This HSN reader we have to load to Tally Prime. Just I am creating a company. So I am creating a company and I have already loaded the TDL. I will show where should be loaded. So here we can go for F1 TDL. See here, HSN list I have loaded. So first thing you have to load this one, and second thing you have to, next we have to create whether it is 4 digit or 6 digit. Just clicking here F6, we can have 6 digit or 4 digit. Okay, I am keeping as 4 digit. So now I am creating a stock item at 5%. So just I am configuring inside stock item level. So we can use it as item as description as fabric. Now when you type fabric, see all the HSN code will be displayed here. So we can choose here, we can choose the 4 digit first one. So I am clicking this one and just I am entering, and the tax rate we should configure at our level. So basically while selecting the HSN code, it will not configure the tax rate amount. So we have to define the rate. Here also we can create the HSN code. So I am typing here. I am selecting the same thing, fabric. If you select this one or this one, see I am selecting there 507. Now I am selecting 5111 at this time, at this place. Okay, 5% I am having. Now the same where we created inside the table, it will also overwrite here also. Okay, now I am saving this one. So another for SAC code I am also having at item level. So here commission for land sales or something like that. Again I am configuring at this level also. So I am taking the same code and I am fixing the rate as 18%. Okay. So I have configured two things, HSN and SAC also. And another feature also there, we can see that one. Suppose new product, that means any item with this new, and we can also create new number also. It is there, it will fetch, see it is there. So here suppose we are having 98 something like 98 we don't have any code, right? I am suppose I am giving the code as 9840, so it will accept here. Okay, from here also inside this menu also we can create. So here I am changing the tax rate, 12% I am putting. So I have configured at item level. Now we can configure at ledger level. So purchase, I am taking purchase. So at we can have furniture. So furniture, some HSN code will be there, whether it is wooden furniture or plastic furniture or something like that. I am choosing 3926. Okay. We can also alter here also. So 3926 I have entered there. So taxable at 18%. I am configuring the rate. For goods and for service also, I am straight away going inside. Sale of advertisement, something like that. This is taxable. This is also 18%. Okay, everything is over. Just we can have data will not be stored heavily, since it will be only, it will take fetch and fetch the code and it will incorporate in the ledger master. It will not load each and every HSN here. Okay, so now we can see in Tally Prime also. Just I will show where it is. So now we have to configure at add-on. I am fixing here 6 digit. I have already loaded the TDL. Okay, now I am creating a new ledger. I have to configure GST also. So again I am so I can take as rice, exempted, as goods, and for service also we can take. So I am taking this one, 18%. Tax rate should be defined by our end, at our end. Okay. Okay. It will work in Prime also, and also for ERP. So it will be useful for us in future. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you.